Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to uncover your competitors' backlinks and how to outrank them. Because if you know who is linking to your competitors, you can get that list and go after those same websites and try to get links from them too. So if you really want to outrank your competitors via backlinks and build a solid backlink campaign, watch this video and I'll show you how to uncover your competitors' backlinks. So let's dive right in. All right, so here at the agency, we use a tool called SEMrush, and we will be focusing on the Backlink Analytics report. So I'm just gonna pull up a random dental website in Los Angeles and try to see what kind of backlinks their competitors have that they don't. So I'm going to go to the Backlink Analytics report, type in the website, and look at their profile, and click on the Competitors tab. So this is a treasure trove of information that will give you a lot of insight into your top competitors, which is listed here. You have about 100 that are competing with you from a backlink perspective. You'll see the biggest competitors here. So Star Bright Dental Dublin, Your Dentist is Your Artist.com. These are your biggest competitors from a backlink profile. Common referring domains. So what common websites you have, total domains that are linking to them, and a total number of backlinks they have. So let's dive a little bit deeper into this one. So you just click on the number and it'll show you, okay, what they are, what kind of backlinks they have. So these are all of the referring domains that you have and that they have. So you could see the authority score. Higher authority score, the better. You want to really have authority score at least, 30 or 40 or above. And matches, so 2 to 2, or if you go 1 to 2, so that basically means if 2 websites have it, or if just 1 out of the 2 websites have it. And it'll tell you the number of backlinks from these domains. So if we want to just see backlink opportunities that we are missing out on, just select our domain. So these are all of the domains that are not linking to us, but are linking to the competitors. So they got a link from Yahoo, Hotfrog, Crayon.co, all of these that we don't have a backlink to. So we kind of want to see, okay, maybe we could download this list and try to see how we can get a backlink from these websites. Let's focus on the ones that have a higher authority score. Maybe we could do ABC directory. This is probably a directory website. We could click on the number and it'll tell us where the page on that website is located and take a look at that particular page. So our competitor has a link here, abcdirectory.com, Brentwood Family Dentist. This is the link right here. So this is the domain. So I would kind of see, okay, is this site legitimate? It has what's the trust score is a 0, page score is a 0. Maybe not the best site to get a link from, but I think, we could definitely consider this. All you do is, I think, just click submit URL and you can try to submit one. I think there's a premium listing that for $49, but you could kind of go site by site and see what you want to focus on and what you don't want to focus on. Another one here is maybe, let's just do, they have 16 links from this site. Now, according to SEMrush, these are all of the links, and the trust score is a little higher. So this is probably a better website if we want to kind of capture the same backlinks here. So let's just click on one So Denta Gamma, Dental Social Network. Okay, so this is a social network. And they have this profile here. And the link is right here. And I think we could get a backlink from this website. I think we need to register and build our own profile. So this process is a really easy way to capture backlinks that you don't have and really improve your profile, your backlink profile, and ultimately improve your rankings. So I really hope you thought this was helpful. If you want me to download this list for you, let me know. Or if you want to go in here yourself, you could do that. Click the link for a free 7-day free trial for this SEMrush tool, and you could do all of the competitive analysis, backlink analysis as you wish, and get all of this really great data. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.